everyone, welcome back to the studio. So today I'm going to paint on this giant 32 by 24 inch canvas, and I believe I'm going to try to use all of the colors of the rainbow and fill it using a tree ring pour. So let's try that. All right, so as you see, I have mixed up all of my colors with my regular Floetrol mix. You'll see the recipe at the end of my video. And I am going to layer all of my paints in this large cup. If you do a paint calculator online, it says that this size canvas will take 32 ounces of paint. So we're going to, or almost 900 milliliters. So we're going to do a back of white all over the canvas, and then I'm going to layer my cup. All right, so we're going to get started. I'm going to first pour my white on the background. If you've watched my videos, you know I really like to use one of these putty knives to get all this spread around. So I'm covering my canvas. It will help my paint flow more. Even though I do buy canvas that is already primed, this is always so helpful in making sure your paint moves around the canvas. I know some of you had asked to make sure that I include you when I do stack my cups, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh, I hope you did not just miss the pour out. So I just poured from this side, just in a tree ring pour to this side. And I ended right here. And if you missed that, I'm very sorry. There's the inside of our cup. I'm going to stretch this way a little bit. We're going to move down. We're going to come up toward you. I'm glad I checked the camera. I do apologize if you missed the pour out. Coming over that end. There we go. That's what I want. I'm going to come down this way now. All right, this beauty is a 24 by 32 inch. Takes up almost the whole table. I'm going to use a torch to get some of the bubbles out and fix some of the spots. So you see I have a little spot there. I'm not quite sure I like that. So I'm going to do that and fix my sides, and it will be a finished painting then. Thanks for watching.